Is your ThinkPad docking station's headphone jack not working? First, identify the problem. Is it no sound, distorted audio, or microphone issues? Check the basics. Ensure the headphone jack is fully plugged in and the dock is properly connected to your ThinkPad. Rule out software issues by testing the headphone jack directly on your ThinkPad. If it works there, the problem likely lies with the dock. A common fix involves updating your audio drivers. Use Lenovo Vantage software to automatically diagnose and update drivers. Faulty USB-C connections can also interrupt power. Try a different port or cable. For microphone problems, ensure compatibility with CTIA OMTP standards. A simple adapter might solve this. Many issues are driver-related, with Lenovo's support logs showing a 70% resolution rate through self-help guides and driver updates alone. If basic troubleshooting fails, check for driver issues. On Windows, open Device Manager to look for conflicts or errors in audio devices. On Linux systems, use ALSA tools to diagnose audio issues and check mixer settings. Update your docking station firmware through Lenovo's Dock Manager to fix audio bugs. Consider rolling back recent Windows updates if they overwrote Lenovo drivers. Inspect the headphone jack for physical damage like bent pins or dust accumulation. Explore Bluetooth-enabled docks as wireless audio becomes more prevalent. Lenovo's roadmap includes AI diagnostics and jackless designs for future models. Contact Lenovo support for warranty replacement or proactive maintenance to prevent issues.